carefully pry off the nails. These are all the spare parts in the package, includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove the nut spacer. Install the training wheel and spacer in that order and tighten the nut. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Turn the fork straight. Pick up the handlebar, loosen the handle screws, and remove the protective sleeve. The handler bar can now be inserted into the head tube. Beyond the minimum safety line and the nut tightened, loosen the handlebar screws and adjust the angle of the handlebar to a position that is comfortable for you before tightening the fixing. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the nuts, spacers, and retaining washers on both sides of the front wheel. Loosen the line on the brake and remove the fork protection lever. Install the front wheel into the fork. Install the retaining washer and then tighten the nut. Retighten the brake line. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled, R is the right pedal and L is the left. Insert the pedals into the cranks and screw them in, then tighten with a wrench. Right footrest tighten clockwise, left footrest tighten counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp. Tighten it after inserting the saddle tube into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Step 6. Assemble the fenders. Compare the two fenders. The one with the dent is the rear fender. Remove the mounting screws from the frame. Secure the rear fender to the frame with screws and nuts. Unscrew the fender retaining screws on the fork. After fixing the fender, you can press the fender to adjust to the right angle. Step 7. Assemble the other accessories. Attach the white reflector to the handlebar. The bell is mounted on the handlebar. Red reflector mounted on saddle tube. Attach the handlebar protector to the handlebar. To the end of this installation. If you have any questions, please contact us.